The state government is a plan to have the 100% renewable energy by 2050 for all sectors in Goa. After collecting the data and holding the numerous consultations with the stakeholders, the energy action plan for all the sectors, the electricity, transport, agriculture, fisheries, and industries, among others, have been completed with will soon be adopted by the state. It is estimated that implementation by the 100% renewable energy plan will create approximately 15,000 additional jobs. As a matter of fact, annually the state can create the 500 jobs exclusively for the solar and wind energy generation. The Goa government has set a target to generate 150 megawatt green energy in the next 2 years.
We have amended solar policy also. We are going to have also hydrogen mission policy, because Honorable Prime Minister's want that grey, blue and green hydrogen policy is to make all over India, and on the basis of that we decided to establish our own policy in Goa.